Hi children, welcome back to your social science class. Today we have to discuss food and rituals. So in the last class we started new block celebrating festivals. So we studied some of the festivals of India. So today we have to discuss about food and rituals. So we know we celebrate different festivals, isn't it? Different religious people celebrate different festivals. So on this day, for example, on the day of Eid, how we celebrate Eid, children? Yes, on this day we wear new clothes, isn't it? We go to mosque for prayer. Then we make different kinds of food, isn't it? Everybody take your textbook, page number 28. We have to discuss a table here. Okay, so we can see the name of the festivals, importance of the festival, special food prepared by the people and rituals. Okay, so first festival it is given Eid al-Zuha. What is the importance of Eid al-Zuha? Yes, to pray to Allah and respect the value of sacrifice. That is the importance of Eid al-Zuha. Okay, to pray to Allah and respect the value of sacrifice. Then what are the special food is prepared during this day? Yes, on the day they prepare, the people, those who follow Islamism, they make biryani, korma, kebab and other meat dishes and sweet. These are the some of the food items prepared on this day. And on some rituals also followed by the people. Which are the rituals? Yes, men go to mosque for prayers and they wish each other Eid Mubarak. And we know they sacrifice goats and share the meat to friends, relatives, etc. Okay, and poor people also they distribute some meat. So these are the some of the rituals followed on this day. People wish each other Eid Mubarak. They go to mosque and they give meat to the poor people, friends, relatives, etc. So these are the some of the important rituals followed on the day of Eid al-Zuha. Okay, then second festival it is Christmas celebrated for the birthday of Jesus Christ. Then what are the food items prepared on this day? Yes, Christmas cake is very important and pudding. Christmas cake and pudding is the food prepared on, special food prepared on this day. Then what are the rituals the people follow? Yes, people go to church and pray to the God and they wish each other Merry Christmas and they exchange gift each other, isn't it? And they sing Christmas carols and decorate houses by Christmas trees. These are the some of the important rituals done by the Christians. Next one it is Diwali. Diwali is celebrated by North India we studied. So what is the importance of Diwali? So what is the story behind this Diwali? Yes, the North Indians believed that in this day they celebrate as Diwali because Lord Rama returned to his home. From after 14 years Vanavasa, he returned to his home in Ayodhya. Okay, that day they celebrated as Diwali. But in the case of South Indians, how do they celebrate this Diwali? Why do they celebrate Diwali? Yes, they believe that it is the day that the Lord Krishna killed demon Naragasura. Okay, so the Lord Krishna killed this demon Naragasura. That day is celebrated as Diwali by South Indians. That is the story behind it. Okay, then what are the special food is prepared on this day? On the day of Diwali, people prepare different kinds of sweets. Then like gulab jamun, barfi, laddu and dry fruits also eaten by the people on this special day. Okay, then what are the rituals followed by the people? Yes, people clean their homes and decorate their houses with flowers and colored patterns, and the people light lamps and pray to the goddess Lakshmi. So these are the rituals followed in the day of Diwali. So, what are the rituals? Yes, people clean their houses, okay, and decorate their houses by flowers, decorate houses by flowers and colored patterns, and they light lamps and pray to goddess Lakshmi. These are the rituals done in the day of Diwali. The next important festival it is Guru Purab. Guru Purab is celebrated by the people in Sikh, isn't it? So to celebrate the birthday of 10 Sikh Gurus. So what is the importance of Guru Purab? Yes, it is the birthday of 10 Sikh Gurus. Okay, then what are the special food prepared by people? Kada Prasad and Langar are some special food prepared on this day. Then what are the rituals followed by people? Yes, people light up their homes and visit Gurudwara. Gurudwara is the holy place of Sikhs. They visit Gurudwara and take out procession. So these are the rituals. People light up their houses and go to Gurudwara for pray, and they take out a procession. These are the some of the important rituals followed followed on the different festivals. Okay, then next we have to next we know children many. So on this day we used to make different food, and we used to wear good clothes, and we exchange gift to each other, isn't it? But many people are in our country, they cannot celebrate it, isn't it? Why they cannot celebrate it, children? Yes, many people do not have enough money with them to celebrate this kind of festivals. So how can we help them? Yes, we can help them by giving money, isn't it? Clothes, food, we can give these all things to them. Then they can also take part in this celebration, isn't it? So these are the things you have to study about fast food and rituals. Okay, now everybody take a workbook. Page number 22, food and rituals. First question is, name one food item that people eat during these festivals. So on the day of Christmas, people eat Christmas cake. On the day of Eid, people eat biryani. Okay. Then on the day of Diwali, people eat sweets. On the Christmas day, they eat Christmas cake. Christmas cake. Then on the day of Eid, people eat biryani. Okay, then on the day of Diwali, people eat sweets. Diwali sweets people used to eat. Then second question is, describe how you celebrate a festival with your family or friends. Write what food you eat, what you do, and what clothes you like to wear. So this question you have to write alone, because it is your own festival is needed to write your favorite festival. So you have to write it alone. So what you have to write? Yes, how you celebrate this festival. For example, Christmas. How you celebrate this festival? Yes, on the day of Christmas, I wear new clothes. I go to church. Then we exchange gift each other. Then we sing Christmas carols, isn't it? We eat different kinds of food. So like that way you can we eat Christmas cake. Okay, so like that way you can write your own answers you can give for this question. Your favorite festival you have to write here. Okay, what food you eat, what you do on this day. I will go to my friends and relatives home. So like that way you can write your own answer, which kind of clothes you like to wear on this day. Okay, so your own answer you have to write here. Then third question, Prem does not have a home or a third question, Prem does not have a family or a home. He begs for food and sleeps on the footpath. How can you help him to celebrate a festival? How can you help children? Yes, we can help him by giving clothes, food, isn't it? And we can help him by giving money, food, clothes, and he can also take part in the festival. So how can we help Prem? Yes, we can help him by giving some money, clothes, food, and includes him in the celebration. So he can also take part in the festival. Okay, so this is the way we can write. So how can we write the answer? Third answer, I can give him some money, food, and clothes, and includes him in the celebration. Then, so he can also take part in the festival. So he can also take part in the part of the festival. Take part of the festival. So like this way you can give the answer. Let us discuss practice question. How do we celebrate Eid ul Zuha? So how do people celebrate Eid ul Zuha? So on the day of Eid ul Zuha, people go to mosque. They pray to Allah and they wish each other Eid Mubarak. They share gift to each other. They wear new clothes, prepare different kinds of dishes, and they go to relatives and friends home. Like that way you can write your own answer. Okay. Fifth question, it is suggest 3 ways in which you can help homeless people and the environment during the festival. So we can write I can give some money, clothes, food to the homeless people, and we can take part them also in the celebration, so they can also take part in the festival. And how can we homeless and people and the environment during the festivals? So how can we celebrate festival without harming the environment? So on the day of for example, we can say on the day of Diwali, I will not burst crackers, so it will make air pollution, isn't it? So like that way you can write your own answer. So this much enough for today's class. So hope you all understood today's class. So we can meet in the next class. Okay, bye.